Hello, and welcome to New Mexico Tech Skeen Library. In this tutorial, we will go over library search strategies. Searching the library databases is not the same as using an internet search engine. Using a search engine like Google, you can enter a full sentence as your query and get good results. This is not so when using the databases. Your first step is to take your research topic and boil it down to a single sentence question or statement. This is known as your research question. We will take a look at the research topic, nuclear power, and we will narrow it down to a question: what are the dangers of using nuclear power? Our next step is to identify the key words in our research question. In our question, our keywords could be danger and nuclear power. Next, we want to find the synonyms for those keywords. So the synonyms for danger could be hazard, risk, or effect. And the synonyms for nuclear power are nuclear energy, atomic power, atomic energy, radioactive power, and radioactive energy. Once we have our keywords and their synonyms, the next step is to use Boolean searches. Boolean searches use a combination of keywords and the operators and, or, and not. Using AND will narrow your search between two or more keywords. This will only give you results that include all of your keywords. Or widens your search. It'll give you results that include any of your keywords. Not also limits your search. This way, your results will include one keyword, but not the other. Continuing with our example, we will use our keywords danger and nuclear power and put them into a Boolean search. Here you will see that danger and nuclear power are separated by the Boolean operator AND. You will also notice that nuclear power is inside quotes. This is because nuclear power is a compound word that is separated with a space. If we don't put quotes around it, then nuclear and power will be treated as separate words. You can also search keyword phrases in the same way. We will now expand our search to include the synonyms that we've come up with. You can see that we've grouped the synonyms together between parentheses and separated them with OR. Using a guided search in the databases, such as in this example, you can see that each field can take the place of the parentheses. We can also add not weapons to our search, since in this example we're only interested in energy resources and not nuclear weapons. It's also a good strategy to take a look at the keywords included in the details of the items in your search results. You may find new or different keywords to use in your research, and it's okay if your research question ends up changing. Next, we'll talk about wildcards. Wildcards are special characters that replace one or more letters in your keywords. This way, you can search for unknown or variant spellings. Wildcard characters are not standardized throughout the databases, but each database does have their own help section where they will list their wildcards. In this example, we're looking for variant spellings of encyclopedia. Encyclopedia can be spelled with just an E or an AE. Another wildcard use is in truncation. Truncation allows you to search for multiple words with the same beginning. Most databases use the asterisk, but again, this is not standardized. In this example, we've truncated the word geo to find geography, geographer, geographical, etc. To review, you want to start with your research topic and narrow it down to a research question. Once you have your question, you identify your keywords and find synonyms for those keywords. Next, you use your keywords and their synonyms in Boolean searches. Don't forget to look at the keywords from your results, and you may end up modifying your searches and even your research question. And finally, using wildcards to target variations in words. This was a tutorial on library search strategies. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to ask.